Hilton is here in Athens with L'Oreal. Welcome to Athens. How are you feeling for being here with L'Oreal Professional?
This whole event blew me away. I had no idea how big it was, how fabulous it would be. I'm very, very happy and very impressed.
And what an amazing presentation that you did. And you told us about how important are social media for the projection of a hairdresser. Tell us your opinion about it.
I think the most important thing is marketing in general. We need to constantly be trying to attract new clients. I have some friends that don't want to be on social media, and actually I support that. But I would like to make sure that you're taking that budget and that time and investing it into a different type of marketing. That's my opinion.
Have you noticed a change in your business when you became more active on social media?
Yeah, it was social media that meant after opening my salon, after 8 months, we couldn't fit anyone in. We had a queue around the door, and that was the demand that social media had brought.
Perfect. Could you give us 3 tips for a successful social media account?
Okay, so tip number 1 is we need to be consistent. And the reason why we need to do that is because every time we're posting, we are practicing, and that helps us get better. Second one is transformations. We really want to see the drama, but this is the tip, in the first 3 seconds. I don't want to wait a minute to see the end. I want to see the before and the after in a matter of seconds. And then you can show the during after that. And then last tip, what would my last tip be? My last tip would be don't forget that your social media is like a website. So I want to see a really big book now button, and I want to be able to book very easily. And so often people just get lost and they don't know where to book in. You have to filter those clients.